Hi everybody, so this video is going to be a little awkward. I know my eyebrows aren't even. I was rubbing my face and I started taking up some of my makeup. So I'm just going to chat for a little bit. I don't know where I'm really going with this, but I just felt the need to tell you guys. So basically, I'm taking my makeup off with with baby wipes. Equate baby wipes. So before I do what I'm about to do, let me show you guys how my crochet braids look right now. So right now I have in the Creatures Waterway, and I hate it. I absolutely hate it. So for the past few months, I've been thinking about coloring my hair and cutting my hair off. Like, I would probably say since November. It's January now. I think today's, the 20th or the 19th or something. I've been thinking about seriously cutting my hair off. Like straight chopping it off or either coloring it. So let me show y'all this first. Let me get this camera readjusted. Okay, so I think this is better. So you guys, if you got to this part of the video, you saw how my hair is looking with this Creatures Waterway. And I've worn Creatures Waterway before. It's not that I hate how this turned out. I don't know why this keeps falling right here. But let me show y'all the back. This is how the back is looking. And I believe I've had this hair in for about a week now. So it's not that I hate the way this turned out. I'm ready for a change. So it's like every style I'm doing right now, I'm hating it. It don't matter if my hair is straight, if it's in a ponytail, this, braids. I'm ready to switch it up, basically. So here's my problem. My problem is I know that if I color my hair, I know I just did this big order and bought a whole bunch of weave in the color number 2 because I mostly rock my natural hair. And then I got a bunch of hair. Let me show y'all. Like all of that is hair. There's a few clothes and shoes. This is my secondary closet. My other closet is in my bedroom. But all of this over here is hair. So, I got a whole lot of weave and stuff. So I'm like, with me coloring my hair, I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do to my hair. And here's my other dilemma. Because if I color my hair, I've been wanting to get into wearing my natural hair. Now I got a kick where I want to wear it straight and I don't care about the heat damage. Don't come for me. Don't cut for me. It's my head. I can do whatever I want to do with my head. First of all, let me explain something. If you're not wearing your hair straight, heat damage will affect you. Meaning, if you're the girl that wear wash and goes and all of this other stuff, heat damage will more than likely affect you because it doesn't match the rest of your curl pattern. But if you're the girl that wear your hair straight and is trained to be straight, you're going to get heat damage. If you don't care about your natural curl pattern, none of that, you just care about your straight hair but don't want to get a relaxer, you're going to get heat damage because you're going to have to train your hair to stay straight throughout sweating and all of that. So this is my problem. I don't know if I want to wear my natural hair out colored or if I want to do straight. But I think I'm just gonna have to deal with that box of problems when it arrives. Also, with me coloring my hair, I'm gonna have to order a whole bunch of new hair now because all of my other colors are number 2. So, I'm about to take my hair down. Again, this has been up for a week. I hate it because I'm tired of black. I used to be Ronald McDonald red. I'm talking bright red. If I could find some old videos or pictures of my red hair, I'll put it up. The only problem with my red hair was red hair is a lot of maintenance. It's a lot of maintenance. My other issue was when I was coloring it, and I know I'm gonna sound stupid, but I want to do it. I'm not so attached to my hair anymore. I've been having this, now that my hair started coming out due to me being stressed out and all of that, I don't care no more about my hair. I'm gonna be real. I'm tired. So I'm just like, you know, Brittany, let's do something different. So when my hair used to be red, I believe I was using So Color RR. It was a while ago, like 2000, probably 13, 14. It was a while ago. And I was using 20 volume, and I noticed a lot of my hair was starting to break off. However, I wasn't into taking care of my hair as much as I'm into it now. So I don't know if that's why I was noticing a bunch. But if this starts to break off, oh well, it was breaking off anyway. Y'all saw the old video. And I've been wanting to cut it off, like cut it off. And everybody can tell me not to, no, don't do that. But I'm gonna do what I want to do, okay? I'm gonna do what I want to do. But let me show y'all. So I don't know nothing about no wash and goes, but I did go to Walmart. So just in case, if I don't do straight and I do wear my hair natural, I want to try to learn how to rock natural styles. And we'll just see where it goes from there. But I picked up the Cantu Shea Butter Define and Shine Custard, and then the leave-in conditioning cream. Then I also picked up the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and over there in my box of hair supplies, I have the, I think it's the souffle gel. Yeah, the curly gel souffle. So I also have this. So I'm going to start, you know, as I said earlier, trying to experiment. The colors I have is L'Oreal Intense Red Copper Warm RR07, and then I have Dark Auburn 4R Warmer. So I'm actually going to do both of these mixed together. I wanted something more of a copper red, however, it's been a minute, so I don't know how everything is gonna go. But I'm going to start off doing this. I'm going to film it and take you guys all the way. But I just wanted to show y'all my hair, how it is now, to let y'all know how it was holding up. And I'm going to take it down after a week because I'm tired of seeing me like this. I need something different. It's time to So I need something new. That's all. I just need something new. So I'll see y'all in the next video. We'll see how it goes. Bye.